Hi guys, welcome back to another quick and short video. In today's video, I'm just going to share with you an indicator that I found online over the weekend, and it's a pretty good tool that you can use in your own trading. And I'm hoping that by sharing this, you actually can find it useful as well, because I'm really liking it. I'm still testing it, but so far so good. So I thought, let me share it with you, because that's what I do on this channel. If I find something that is basically useful, I try as much to share with you guys. So yeah, let's get on with it. If you haven't noticed yet, it's actually this indicator here. Let's just go to my indicator panel. It's actually called the Xandra Summary. This is the indicator. It's called the Xandra or Xandra Summary. I don't know, but it's I just call it a Xandra Summary. So correct me if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but in any case, we are not about pronunciations here. We are going to talk about this tool here. It's not an indicator in the sense of it's going to give you signals for trading and stuff, but it's a useful tool that I found you can use in your own trading. If you want to download it, the link will be in the description box below. Then you can basically download it from the blog, and you can add it to your Metatrader 4. It's for Metatrader 4. I'll see if I can find a Metatrader 5 version, but it's for Metatrader 4 at the moment. So I have it on my chart, and this is a trade that I'm actually in. It's a silver trade. You already know that I love trading silver, and some of the idea that I have here is silver is broken through here, this level here. That's why I took a sell here. We'll see if we come to this level here, or if we will go down to this level here, or if we could actually be taken out here. You need to love stop losses, because stop losses will tell you whether your analysis or your idea was wrong. Then you can shift your perception. So love stop losses. Here's my stop loss there. Here's my first TP. My second TP will be around here. So we'll see how the day progresses, but in any case, let's go back to our indicator that we're going to talk about here. So this is the Xandra. I think now it's just gone back to default. This is the Xandra indicator. We'll go back to my indicators there. So I now have two actually. So let me, maybe that's the first one. Maybe let me get rid of the first one. Then we can just look at the second one together. Let's see. Now it doesn't want to work. I don't know what's happening there. Let's go to edit. I want it to appear. Okay, so now it has appeared in its default form. That's its default form. So what you have, let me just change the colors there. We go in the Xandra Summary, we go to edit, then we come here. So what we are going to start editing is show sells true, show buys true. We are just going to leave it like that. Here you can change the font color to whatever you want. Currently it's Times New Roman. Maybe you enjoy seeing Arial. Then this is a basket text color. It's actually this color that we have here, which tracks your trades. And you can change the size of that text. Maybe let's change it to a blue, so that we do this together, so that nobody comes back to me and says, but you didn't show what this thing does on this value. Then there's this section, and you can set whatever corner you want this to appear in. Currently I've set it to left upper corner. That's why it's there. You can set it to you can set it to right upper is sorry, mine is on the right upper chart corner, sorry, right upper chart corner. Then you can set it to left upper chart corner, which is there, or left lower, which is here, which is already occupied by my other indicator there. And then you can set it to right lower corner, which will be here, so it will probably be on top of this bucket thing, but I'll just leave it default at the moment. Then here you can set how much you want it to be below this boundary of the chart, going down and also going inwards by this. So I'll just leave it the default 10 pixels, 10 by 10 pixels from the corner. Then symbol text color, let's just change that. Maybe we turn it to indigo, and spread color so that it's more visible. Maybe we set it to I'll set it to red so that it's just more visible. And then there's an ADR section. I've just left it at the default false. I'm not big on ADRs and ATRs and stuff like that. I just left it at false. But if you use ADR, you can switch on the ADR section and do these other settings as well. Then we have the timer where it gives you the candle timer. It's not clear yet because we haven't changed the color, so maybe I'll turn that into something visible, maybe a dark blue, so that it's visible. That's pretty much everything that you want to do on the settings side. Here there's nothing to set. Here I set it to show on all time frames. Maybe you just want it to show on the 15-minute time frame or on the 4-hour time frame, but in any case I just want it to show on all time frames, so I'm not going to play with that. So you just need to work in here. Then here just make sure you allow DLL imports. Let's just click on OK and close. So now you can see it's now live, the changes that we made. So we are on silver, it's 4-hour time frame, and you can see we still have around about nearly 2 hours left for this 4-hour time frame candle to close. The same that I have with my original timer that I previously have here. It's good that it's confirmed again by this, so maybe I can get rid of this and keep this one. I think that's a good idea. Let's just go in there and say candle timer, delete, remove it. So now I'll just check the candle time there, or you can leave it there if you want it to be right in front of you where you'll be looking at, because most of the time you're probably going to be looking at the candles instead of looking in the on the top corner. And spread, very important. You want to know the spread that you are paying the broker for the trade. I'm currently in this trade, silver, currently sold on silver. Silver currently has a spread of about nearly 4 pips. 4 pips spread that the broker is charging. So yeah, it is what it is. And you can see the instrument that you're currently in is silver H4 time frame, and this color that keeps on jumping up and down, I think is the ask and bid price that keeps going up and down, up and down. I'm yet to find any usefulness why it's there. Maybe as I continue using it, this tool, maybe I'll get an idea of why the guy who developed this tool needed this buy this bid and ask price to be there. Then importantly here, you can actually track the trades that you are in. So you see currently I do not have any buy orders that are open. I only have a sell that's open, and it's 0.05 lot size. And that's currently the profit on that trade. It's just jumping up and down, but we'll see. It's a trade that I'm hoping maybe we can come to this level. If not, then definitely I might be taken out at a stop loss, but I have some confidence in this trade. But again, there is a stop loss here. The market will tell me if I am wrong. So one other thing before I stop the video, one other thing that I found with this tool is it can actually also calculate for you the break-even point for your trade. The break-even point for your trade, important. So what you do for that is you come and you click here on the horizontal line. You draw horizontal line or on any part of your chart. So let me just double click so that I change the values on this horizontal line. So then you go to horizontal line properties, you click on there, and we can change color for that. Maybe let's make it a lime. I'm hoping that it's going to be visible. Maybe let's make it a blue then, so that it's visible. Then you need to rename your horizontal line. So for sales, you just say AVGS. That's for sales. Where's my V? VGS. And the moment we go to our chart, the moment I say okay, it's going to move this line to show me where the break-even point is for my trade. So let's just do that. See, now it moved the line to the break-even point for my trade automatically. So already I can know, I know that if we go in there, maybe let's just go to a lower time frame. So basically my trade is currently just below the break-even point. If I wanted to close some part of the trade, probably that would be where it's at. But well, use it with a pinch of salt. Let's just see. Currently silver is jumping up and down, so yeah, it is what it is. So that'll be the break-even point, and it has been calculated automatically. For the buys, we'll just go into here and we'll change the S to B. Let's say if it was a buy trade. If it was a buy trade, you would say AVGB, and it would calculate the break-even point for that trade. So yeah, if you need a tool like this, it tells you the time frame, the asset that you are trading, as well as the spread. Let's say you are somebody who doesn't like to be charged a lot of spread. You can only enter when the spread is nice, and also the time for candles. Sometimes people enter just before the candle closes. Let's say they spotted maybe a bearish candle, then they enter just when the candle is left with 2 minutes, and the next candle, boom, it's a buy candle, and they're wondering what's wrong, what's happening here. So if you're big on timing your entries and you need candle timer, it comes with that. Then here you can also track your trades, the buys and the sells, the lot size, as well as any profit or loss that will be happening with that trade. So yeah, if you want to download this tool, for free, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Guys, I'm hoping that this tool helps you and gives you something to think about, or you find some usefulness with it in your own trading. I will see you in the next one. Bye.